Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through the updated steps to delete your address on LinkedIn using a PC. If you're looking to enhance your privacy or simply want to keep your profile cleaner, this tutorial is for you. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of the screen for the Me icon. This icon usually features your profile picture or initials. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Next, from this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your LinkedIn profile and account settings. In the left sidebar, you'll see several options. Click on Account Preferences. Now that you're in the Account Preferences section, scroll down until you find Profile Information. Under this category, look for an option labeled Name, Location, and Industry. Click on it to proceed. You'll now see different fields related to your profile information. Here, locate the section titled Contact Info. Click on Edit Contact Info to modify your address details. In the Contact Info window, you will find an address bar where your current address is displayed. To remove it, simply delete the text in this field. Once you've cleared out your address, don't forget to click on the Save button at the bottom right corner of the window. This step is crucial as it ensures that your changes are recorded. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted your address from LinkedIn using a PC. By following these straightforward steps, you can maintain better control over your personal information on social media platforms. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more tips and tricks on managing your online presence. Thank you for watching.